Sport bike riders have a unique problem. Their handlebars usually aren't built for add-ons. Today we're breaking down the Pro Series motorcycle stem phone mount, RokFORM solution built specifically for sport bikes and clip-on bar setups. We'll cover how it installs, how it adjusts, and what makes it so secure. Let's get into it. The stem mount is part of RokFORM's Pro Series lineup and is designed to attach directly to the center stem of a sport bike, right in the rider's peripheral. It's a clean, low-profile solution for riders who don't have the handlebar room for one of our other mounts. The stem mount is CNC machined from aircraft-grade aluminum with all stainless steel hardware. It comes in a UV-resistant anodized black, so the finish holds up over time without fading or degrading. Installation is straightforward. One screw, one tool, both included in the box. 2 adjustable inserts are also included to fit center stems from 12 to 24 millimeters, which cover the majority of sport bikes. The whole process takes just a few minutes and riders can do it themselves right out of the box. The stem mount also has a fully adjustable viewing angle, portrait for navigation, landscape for wider map views. It adjusts to both and holds its position without sagging. That flexibility, combined with the stem placement, puts the screen right in the rider's line of sight without taking their eyes far off the road. The stem mount works seamlessly with RokFORM's rugged and crystal cases. Both cases carry the integrated magnets and RokLock that make the full RokFORM ecosystem work together for all riders. For riders who want extra peace of mind, a lanyard is included with each mount for an extra level of security. Additionally, RokFORM's vibration dampener pairs seamlessly with this mount. That's the Pro Series stem mount. Built specifically for motorcycles, installs in minutes, has 3 levels of security, and is fully adjustable for any riding position. It also comes backed by a 2-year warranty, so there's really no risk for riders. For any questions on this one or other mounts, reach out to your RokFORM rep. Let's ride.